6 divided 3 parenthesis 5 plus 5 square parenthesis close. How do we solve this? Options are A 1 upon 15, B 5 factorial, C 6 hash, and D 60. So these two numbers 1 upon 15 and 60 we know, but what does this factorial means? Factorial means the sign is the product of all the positive integers less than or equal to the given number. So 5 factorial means 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5. 4 factorial means 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times, one little, 1 times 2 times 3 times 4. 6 factorial will be 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 times 6. So this is how it goes. What does this 6 hash means? This symbol hash, when denoted in front of a number, in number theory it means primorial of the number. That means product of all the prime numbers till the given number. So prime numbers till 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 5. So their product will be 1 times 2 times 3 times 5, that is equal to 30. So 6 factorial we can write 30. So 6 hashtag we can write it as 30 and 5 factorial is 120. Now we have 4 options: 1 upon 15, 120, 30 and 60. So this is a question of order of operation. In order of operation, we first solve parenthesis, then comes exponents, orders, indices, roots, then multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. But remember, this multiplication, division, they are grouped together, and this addition, subtraction, they are also grouped together because they have equal priority. We solve them from left to right, whichever comes first. For example, if you get a question like this, 4 divided 2 times 3. How would you solve this? In this question, if you follow PEMDAS, and if you do multiplication first, then it will be 4 divided 6. But this is not how it's done. We follow the left to right rule. From left to right, we have division first. So it will be 4 divided by 2, that is 2, then times 3, that is equal to 6. So this is what left to right rule means. Now here in this question, first we will do parenthesis. So it will be 6 divided 3, and within parenthesis also you have to follow the rule of PEMDAS. So we will have to do the exponent part first before this addition. So 5 plus 5 square is 25, or 6 divided 3, 25 plus 5 is 30. We can remove the bracket here. When you remove the bracket and there is no sign, it means there is multiplication. So it is 3 times 30. Now PEMDAS says that we need to do multiplication first. M is written first. But there is called left to right rule. So from left to right, we have division first. So it will be 6 divided by 3, that is 2, then times 30. 2 times 30 is 60. So answer will be D 60. If you don't do this left to right rule, what will be the answer? 30 times 3 is 90. Then 6 divided by 90 is 6 upon 90. And 6 times 1 is 6 and 6 times 15 is 90. Then answer will be 1 upon 15. You might mark this answer A, but this is not the correct answer. Also here, this number with the bracket, here you can use the distributive property also, where 3 is multiplied to 5 also and 3 is multiplied to 25 also. In that case also you have 6 divided 3 times 5 is 15 plus 3 times 25 is 75. Now we have division and addition. So as per PEMDAS, we have to do division first before addition. In that case, we will have 6 upon 15 plus 75. But you can see this will not give us the correct answer. Correct answer is D 60. So here we cannot use the distributive property because first we will have to solve the bracket. then only we can deal with the number outside or the operation outside the bracket. So this part needs to be done first. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.